Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you all through my most requested look. This is my fresh face mom on the go look. I wear this all the time, so if you would like to learn, keep watching. Starting off on cleansed skin, I'm going to apply my brow products, and I'm going to first use the pomade to brush my eyebrows up and into place so I can see where I need to apply that pencil. Then I'm going to go in with my brow stylist definer, and this color is Brunette. I also used Brunette in the first product that I used, and I'm just filling in wherever I need to apply some more hairs. I want this brow to be pretty natural, not super ultra defined, just more natural. Then I'm going to go in with my Lumi Glotion. This is like a 2-in-1. It applies your glowing product and it also moisturizes your skin. You always want to moisturize even if you have oily skin, because if you don't moisturize, your skin actually thinks it needs more oil. Funny, right? So yeah, moisturize. Now I'm going to go in with my Lumi drops, and these are the golden hour ones, and I'm just applying this underneath my eyes so that my concealer is more on the glowy side and not super matte. I don't want it to be super matte. I want it to be more like skin, just really nice and fresh. So I'm applying this right over the bridge of my nose because I do have that little bump in my nose, and this helps to camouflage it all. I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. Actually, this is my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to apply this over my eyes as well, because this is going to make sure that I look like I got enough sleep. For highlighting products, I like to apply it to the tip of my nose and also on the higher end of the bridge of my nose. This is going to help the light make it look like it's more straight. Then for my foundation product, I'm going in with my True Match foundation powder. Powder is a lot more sheer and natural looking than liquids, so I want this look to be really natural. And now I'm just going to apply this everywhere. I did not apply any concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my Mercier Sheer Perfecting Powder, and I'm just going to blend my concealer into my foundation, so that everything looks nice and seamless, because we don't want any lines. That's going to be a strong giveaway that we have a lot of makeup on, even though I don't, but you know what I mean. Now I'm going to use my True Match foundation powder in a darker color, and this is C8, and it's perfect contour color for me. So I like to use foundation powders because it looks more like a natural contour versus a very orangey, unskin tone kind of contour. Now I'm going to apply this blush. Look at this amazing blush palette. I absolutely love it. All the details will be listed down below for this video, so look down below for the names of products that you want to see which ones I used. So yeah, I used that peachy one because it's going to give me a nice healthy glow. I just want to look like I woke up like this, even though I didn't. But this is like the quickest look. It takes me about 5 minutes if I'm rushing. So now I'm just applying this beautiful pink lip gloss because lipstick is a little too heavy for you know, a quick morning look. And then apply 2 coats of mascara. This is the X Fiber mascara from L'Oreal Paris, and it is absolutely bomb. As you can see, my lashes just pick up and they just love this mascara. So yeah, I wiggle at the base and then really brush it out. Seriously guys, this video is kind of embarrassingly quick, but this is my mom on the go. It's perfect if you're in high school. It's perfect if you are in college and you want to just look good in the morning, because it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Till my next video, stay beautiful.